National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for the Delaware Bay north of a line between East Point, New Jersey and Slaughter Beach, Delaware, including Peep Hatch Island, Reedy Point, Woodland Beach, Sea Breeze, Ship John Shoalite and Stony Point until 2:15 a.m. At 1:22 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing strong winds 34 knots or greater over Stony Point, moving east at 30 knots. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.